Here's a black on black 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Holiday Coupe or two-door hardtop. Underneath the hood, 455 big block power. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome in the front bumper, headlight bezels. Now we do have some 442 badging on here, but representing it as a Cutlass Supreme. You can see black paint, has a very nice shine to it. There's a few spots where there's been a little bit of touch up. I'll kind of try to point out a few of those as we go around, but paint does have a nice shine to it. Car's got a good look, nice stance. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the engine bay. So you will see it is a power steering, power brake, and was a factory AC vehicle. Take a peek underneath the hood. Look at the underside. You'll see the interior trunk. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on an Oldsmobile rally-style wheel. Looks like Cooper Cobra radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels nice and straight and that kind of a mirror-like finish in that paint. As you can see the signage behind me, the reflection. Note, side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Bright work looks good down that passenger side. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. You can see dual exhaust. A few notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. Mentioned the AC is in op, but compressor looks like it's still there. Components, some of those are still there, and we're going to take a peek underneath the hood in just a second. Heater does work. Mentioned no shakes or vibrations. Brakes straight. Brakes are 90% in the front, 100% in the rear. Does have new front wheel cylinders, new transmission lines. I did mention there's an aftermarket radio in it that is in op. Wipers were in op. And car has been driven. It's got your typical powertrain seats. It's one of those cars. Get in it, turn the key, go have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There's one little spot too that was touched up. If you can kind of see that, but you can see that paint. Look at that. It's like a mirror. And then there was one down in the door, if I can find it back. One right down here. I'm being awful fussy. This car is going to turn some heads, there's no doubt about that. And if you like Oldsmobiles, whether they're real 442s, Cutlass Supremes, no matter what year, what body style, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. And when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Very shiny. All right, let's take a look at this interior. So we got black and black. Door panels. Looking pretty good. A little bit of wear on that carpeting on the lower part. Vinyl on seats look good. Looks like newer carpeting on the floor up here. And you're going to be able to see this all in the still pictures too. Tons of interior pics. It's like some 6x9 speakers on the back deck. How about the headliner? Looking good. All right, let's fire this up. Stick around to the very end too. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road. Again, 455 big block. Gas gauge is coming up there. There's that aftermarket Pioneer stereo. They just haven't had it power up. Lower speakers in the kick panel. Door closes nicely, sounds healthy, nice deep throaty exhaust note. check out this engine bay. That's probably going to take me 2 hands. I'm going to pause it a second. Let's get this engine bay open. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And here it is. 455. Aluminum radiator. Power steering, power brakes. Batteries from 226. Edelbrock 4-barrel. And here you can see AC components. It has been converted from the R12 to 134. Here's everything there. It's going to need a little TLC to get the AC blown cold. And it was a factory AC car. You'll be able to look at the data tag and the still pictures of the VIN if you want to do any decoding. Good body style. 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Holiday Coupe. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Cutlass Supreme, it says on the dash. Our speedometer is reading high. For gauges, this car mostly has warning lights for the generator oil and hot, which is the temperature. We have a Pioneer stereo mounted in the dash. I have not got that powered up. This car starts and idles very nicely. It runs smoothly. Our fuel gauge does show 3/4 of a tank. It's an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. The blower motor does move air as it should. Carpet and seats looking good. Bench seat in front and rear. The headliner also looking quite nice. Braking nice and smooth. I can hear that very faintly, hear that speedometer, the little clicking. That is probably the reason it reads fast. But it is reading, and it's semi-accurate when you're going at slower speeds. Corners nicely. The muscle car body of the 67 Olds Cutlass is an icon. Those straight, smooth lines from that body style. Find all the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.